Hey, what's up, AMP holder, my brother? AMP latest news and latest update. Absolutely, my friend. I will share everything in this video. But please, my brothers, I will also going to play free get this coin. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, the AMP price will increasing, especially my friend, in July 22 to my friend, especially July 30. And I think the main reason of this huge jumps, my brother, of AMP as that too, especially in every last 10 days, my friend, every month every coin will take a very huge jump now. So I think the main reason is that. And the second reason is that, my brothers, to absolutely every cryptocurrency will moving upward now in those days. So therefore I think the reason is that, my brothers, so they will moving upward to the holder are starting investing, my brother. And this time you could see a 21.36% profit just in only in last 1 month, my brother. And the price come to 0.082144 USD dollar. I hope so in upcoming time they will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar. But remember to, if they just in only hit 0.1 USD dollar, so I will give you guarantee, my brothers, so they will make you a millionaire now. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure to they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, AMP holder. I hope you will understand something new in this video. But please, if you are new my channel and if you want this type more informative and urgent update video, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.